At Volvo, everything we do starts with people. It is who we are. Our vision is that no one will be killed or seriously injured in a new Volvo car by the year 2020. We do this by taking a holistic approach to car safety. We use what we call the circle of life to guide our work. It all starts with real-world accident data.
Volvo's accident research team has been collecting data since the 1970s. This approach is unique in the auto industry. No one else has such a depth of real-world crash data to work with.
We use this data to set our safety requirements and begin our development process. Our aim is to reduce the number of fatalities and serious injuries by using the latest and most relevant technology available, and by developing new solutions where none currently exist. Run-off road accidents are a good example. Every year, run-off road accidents cause severe injuries and fatalities.
Volvo tackled this type of accident in two ways. Firstly, by developing a preventive safety system designed to keep the car on the road where possible, and secondly, by creating a safe environment in the cabin for the occupants if a run-off road accident is unavoidable. By approaching real-life safety in this way, Volvo focuses on identifying the causes and minimizing the effects of accidents.
With our next generation of safety systems, we aim to address other common and often fatal accident types. By understanding the nature of accidents, we can tackle the causes and better predict the outcomes.
Volvo's new steer assist features identify and respond to moving objects from ahead and from vehicles that approach from behind when required, delivering an underlying sense of confidence and added control to the driving experience.
We believe that the driving experience should be based around people's needs and the realities of modern roads and traffic conditions. Safety is the very foundation for everything we do. It always has been, and it always will.